Hello everybody, we are here in Troyes, Troyes, I don't know, in France, and I'm going to Courtenay, 91 kilometers from here. The direction is always Bordeaux. Sunny day. Finally, I've checked in the forecast of Google, no raining. No wind. Of course, it's sunny, so it's not raining. Thanks to Julian and Camille for the hospitality. We are in a historic building of the center of the city. The center is right there. Yesterday I had a good pizza and a good ice cream, and this historical center is really nice. Honestly, really nice. A lot of restaurants, a lot of places. So let's go. Tonight my break told me that I have to play, so it's cool. Beautiful day. Let's go. Ciao.